All right, welcome back. My name is Robert Sharp. I'm the lead data scientist over at Silicon Society, and today we get to play with ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. All right, I haven't played with this yet, so I'm just gonna try a few things and see what it's all about. I don't see any interface for the Canvas straight away, but let's see if we can get it to show up here. Right. A database interface for MongoDB. Interface, yeah, no, interface for MongoDB in Python. Oh, okay, there we go. We have a canvas, and the interface looks pretty reasonable. Okay, cool. What if I wanted to... Yeah, I can edit this stuff. Oh, interesting. What's over here? Add comments. Port to a language? C++, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Java. Oh, what does this look like in C++? Oh, wow. That's awesome. Yeah, that is fantastic. All right, what does this look like in Java? Oh, man. Okay, that's really cool. Let's go back to the Python version. Now, does it have to recreate it? Oh, looks like it. So let's see what it can do here. I really want this to be asynchronous, so let's see. Try again. This time, need to hit async. There we go. Oh, wow. Yep, using motor. This is great. I really like that it edited in place rather than like giving me more and more and more to scroll through later. This is really cool. What's up here? Copy previous version. Okay. Yeah, I really like this. All right, let's try a new one. New chat. Create a scary design for a jack-o'-lantern. Not what I was expecting. It looks like it didn't even trigger the canvas. Good. Create an image of this. Oh, that's pretty scary. Wonder why it didn't trigger a canvas though. Do we not have image editing in the canvas? All right, let's try something else. Write a scary story about Halloween. Oh, got a canvas that time. That's good. Okay, what controls do we have here? Add emojis, add final polish, or I can edit the document. Ooh, I can change the reading level and adjust the length. Okay, cool. Let's make it shorter. The wind howled through the Willow Creek. Okay, I'll spare you reading the whole thing. This is a pretty decent little short story. Alright, what does reading level give me here? Kindergarten to graduate. Let's go all the way. This is graduate level. Oh, it made it quite a bit longer too. Can we make it shorter? This is pretty cool. Well, I wonder if those are mutually exclusive. Like it seemed to go back to the default reading level after I made it shorter. It's kind of weird. Let's go to add finish polish. Change the format. Interesting. Looks like most of the text stayed pretty much the same. Suggest edits. Oh, wow. Consider adding more sensory detail here, such as the sound or the feeling of the wind. Yeah, I like that. The wind swept through the Willow Creek, howling as it rattled the skeletal branches of the ancient oaks, its icy chill biting at the exposed skin. It was Halloween night, children's laughter echoing under the dim streetlights. As the moon rose, a thick fog crept in, engulfing the town in silence. I like it. What's this? Okay. The phrase groan echoing through the stillness is evocative, but could be expanded to heighten the suspense, perhaps mention the effect on Emily's state of mind. Yeah. Well, if nothing else, this is a lot of fun to play with. To increase tension, consider adding a brief description of Emily's reactions, such as her heart racing or struggle to maintain. Okay, what is it right now? Emily spun around, but the room was empty. She turned back to the mirror. The figure was closer. Okay, so apply. Spun around, her heart racing, her breath catching in her throat. But the room was empty. Shadows wrapped around her, suffocating her. You could add a sensory detail such as the feeling of cold or pressure to make the experience more vivid. Yeah? Okay. Consider adding a hint about the town's reaction or a passerby noticing something strange. Let's see what it says now. The next morning, the house stood silent and abandoned. The next morning, the house stood silent and abandoned, but the whispers spread through the town about the strange lights seen during the night. A passerby claimed to hear faint cries from within. This thing is really cool. Alright, what else can it do? I don't care about emojis, but I have to see. Yep, that's a ton of emojis. Not great for this particular story, but I can see how that might be useful. Can I remove them? Oh, previous version? Yeah, there we go. Restore this version. All right. Oh, I see. And over here it tells you all of the edits that it makes. That's cool. What's this? Sure thing. Here's a spooky Halloween story to set the mood. Halloween tale. Oh, I guess that's just saying that it opened the canvas, maybe. Interesting. Well, this is a lot of fun. It's available. If you're on Pro, you can play with the beta version of ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. I'm having a lot of fun. I've just scratched the surface of what's possible with this thing, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, see you next time.